Alright guys, here it is. We got my Dewalt tool collection, starting with the reciprocating saw. Use that a lot. 2 Dewalt grinders, cordless. The flashlight, which we did a little video on that, so I'll put a link in the description or something. This Dewalt drill. This is actually my house drill, hence why it's not covered in dirt and oil. The only complaint I have about this is there's no hammer setting, but it's okay because it's got the hook on it, so it hooks right to you just like that. So you're up on a ladder, you know, doing whatever, just grab it, you got it. Lay that back down. Then we got this, the 90-degree angle drill, as I call it. I don't know what the technical term is. I've never used it. It's got features I like. You know, it's got, you know, a good, you know, you can grip it from here or here, whatever. It's got 2 speeds. You know, but the reason I don't use it much, because what can it do that these can't? Well, tight spaces. I just haven't had the use of, or the need for anything in tight spaces. So then we got the all-purpose tool. That's nice. I'll use it. Drywall, you know, shims, whatever. Another drill, same as the other one, only this one stays at the shop. Hence why it's so dirty. And then we got impacts. The 2 1/4-inch impacts. This one is just kind of a backup. I usually use this one, you know. Say I got a helper with me or something that day. We can both use them. Same with the drill. We got the radio. The radio is in the video with the light, so you'll get to kind of see why I like that. Then we get the circular saw, which I tell you what, I was skeptical at first about going with cordless tools, just because I never really had them as much, except for like outside of school. But I'm impressed with that thing. You know, I put a battery on it, and I've only used it with wood, haven't used it with metal, but yeah, you know, I'll cut all day, same battery. You know, I built this monstrosity here with it, and a couple other things, and it's just beautiful. But then we got my personal favorite. So I was like I said, I was skeptical about buying tools that you know, didn't have cords, especially when you get into like big tools. But this thing right here, get the lighting good. Yeah, the Dewalt XR impact. I love it. I love it because I get under a car, I'm not having to deal with a hose, you know. Throw the battery on. It's got 3 settings. 1, 2, and 3 for torque. You know, truck, you know, lug nuts, no problem. Truck lug nuts, no problem. Car lug nuts, no problem. I was doing a rear pinion seal on the Cummins, and you know, I had a pipe on that, you know, on that nut. I could not get it to budge, to the point where I was like, I'm not going to be able to do it with the tools I have here. Didn't have torches over here at the time to heat it up, you know. That was like going to be my next option. I was like looking to see if I could get a replacement nut and just kind of cut that thing off, obviously with the best effort not to damage the threads. And I thought, you know what, let me just try that impact, and pulled it right off, like clean. So yeah, that's why I like those. So anyways guys, that's just a quick look at the Dewalt tools that you will get to see a review on here shortly. I'm also open to the idea, I think I said in one of the other videos, that if you guys want to see how maybe a cheaper tool brand or whatever goes head to head with any of these, I'm down. Let's do it. And then I got, you know, all the Dewalt carrying bags, which is nice. Obviously, I have Dewalt tools, so I don't really know what the other brands kind of do for you. Just kind of throwing these in here as we go, I guess, kind of thing. But yeah, I don't know. They might come with those things. Maybe I'm just blowing smoke, thinking it's the greatest thing in the world. But I like it because I can sort it. You know, metal cutting tools, wood cutting tools, specialty tools, which is like the light, the drills, the angle drills, and all that. Like I said, I don't know. Maybe I'm just clueless when it comes to that kind of thing. But you know, everything seems to work good for me. So why would I go for a different? It's just kind of the way I look at it. Oh, another thing about this is it does come, and I'm only speaking this in like focus. Yeah, it's got angles 0 to 50 degrees, which, you know, obviously you use a 45 probably most of the time, but say you need something heavier, you got it. And you know, that's just kind of a big thing for me because my old one did not have this. So I was always snapping lines, hoping and praying, and we all know how that goes. But so anyway, guys, next video you can probably watch out for. We're going to build a hydraulic pipe bender, the stand for it. And I kind of like how it's going like this, so I think I kind of want to compliment it by making a stand go like that. Like I said, we just have to see. So anyways, YouTube, that's all I got for right now. See you next time.